Hey guys, it's going to be a video chart on IGSM. This is actually going to be an updated video chart and follow-up to the one I did back pre-market just last Friday. And with the price action that we were seeing here on Friday and into today, thought it was a good idea to just kind of update the chart, replot some of the resistance and support levels, and take a look at a couple of key technical indicators to give us indication on what we might see price action-wise headed into tomorrow and into later this week. So let's just go ahead and dive into the chart. What I'll do is go ahead and plot out the resistance levels first. And the first level of resistance that I'm going to plot out here, just going to move it down, is going to be right here. And this is going to be valued at 0.0019. Reason why I'm going to say this is going to be the first resistance level is you just kind of saw it act as resistance level here, support all through here. When it did break above, you can just kind of see, the chart really opened up, on its way back down. You got your support right here, and when it did finally break through, you can just kind of see the negative price action it had today, and also right here. Midday tried to break above, couldn't, and we saw that pull back later on into the trading day here today as well. So 0.0019, definitely keep your eye on it from a bullish perspective. That's something that you want to. First order business is to break above that. Second level of resistance on the chart, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plot it out right here, and I'm just going to move it down right around there, and I'm actually going to make this a thicker line just because I think it's going to take a little bit more to break through this resistance level. And the reason why that's a key resistance level is you can just kind of see it act as resistance, basically all through here. When it broke above, you can just kind of see how it how the chart opened up on its way back down. You can see it's acted as support there, when it finally broke through. You can see the downtrend that it's in right now. So that's definitely stubborn resistance. If the price action were to move up here and test it, I think it's going to take a little bit more oomph to break through that the resistance level here, 0.0023. So definitely keep your eye on that one as well. I'm not going to plot out any more resistance levels just because we definitely have to see if the bulls can manage to break through here and test this 0.0023 here in the next to maybe tomorrow and later this week. If we get a close above this level, or if we get a close kind of close to this level at 0.0023, we can definitely go ahead and update the chart and update the next level of resistance accordingly. So as far as support levels go, what I'm going to do is plot out the support level right here. And I'm going to say that this level right here is going to be an all-important level for the bulls. From a charting perspective, you definitely want to see this level hold. You don't want to see price action trade below this level for too long or close below this level. What that's going to do is that's going to draw the MACD even lower below zero, and price action is just going to lose all the steam that it has and go back down to this 0.001 level where this breakout originally started. So from a charting perspective, you want this level to hold. If you do get an intraday break, what you want to see is the price action move back up fairly quickly, such as here or here, where it did break and moved back up rather fast. Otherwise, if you do get trading below this level for a while, it's just going to not going to be good from the bullish perspective. So that's how the chart really looks as far as resistance and support goes. A couple of key indicators that I'm looking at that I think you should have kind of an eye on is the MACD, of course. You can just kind of see the MACD, how it correlates to price action. When the line is above its signal, above zero, and when it breaks, you kind of got to get this downtrend. So from a charting perspective, what we want to see, and from a bull's perspective, is the MACD right now to just kind of level out and start heading back up above zero, cross above its signal line. If you get a move like that, what you want to see is you want to see the bulls put in a big volume day, such as we had here, or even something like that. That's going to basically correlate into bullish price action and really test this resistance level at 0.0023. What you don't want to see from a bullish perspective is you don't want to see the MACD head any further down below zero, because what that's going to do is that's just going to draw the price action lower and lower. So we definitely want to see this stabilize out, and then we want to see a move back up above zero. And you can kind of see the histogram here. You can see how it's moving back up. So we'll just kind of see how the volume is tomorrow and later this week, and see how the price action trades tomorrow and into later this week as well. So really, that's really gonna wrap it up here for the IGSM video chart. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to send me messages. Also, I encourage you guys to stop by and visit my board, Another Winning Trade, on iHub. I just recently started that just last week. So feel free to post any trade ideas. I will periodically post video charts through my board. And if you guys want to request any video charts on any of their stocks, feel free to drop by and leave a comment, and I'll get to those as soon as I can. Otherwise, this is going to wrap up IGSM, and I do thank you for watching.